All the seamstresses hide this secret. After learning this, you'll never have damaged zippers again. I believe everyone must have gone through this. When you have a piece of clothing, a bag, or any object with a faulty zipper. This is very common because with constant use, zippers tend to get stuck, snag, or no longer hold. And most of the time, the problem is right here. So don't worry, because today I'm gonna show you a very simple solution to restore damaged zippers. It's gonna look like new and, most importantly, without spending a single penny. So you won't have to throw away that favorite piece of clothing or pay someone to restore it. And for this, the first thing we're gonna need is a plastic bottle. And you can use any plastic bottle you have there. Now, with the help of scissors, let's cut the central part of the bottle. We're gonna do this because we need a piece of plastic. It doesn't even need to be big, just a small piece of plastic will be more than enough. About 1.5 inches. Do just like I'm doing here in the video. So after removing a small piece, let's cut again at the corners. As I said, we're only gonna need a small piece. This will certainly do the job. After that, let's place the piece of plastic on the broken part. Next, we're gonna use hot glue to secure it. Apply the hot glue first to one of the sides, and then hold it until it sticks. If you don't have hot glue, you can also use super glue instead. Then, just do the same thing on the other side. Press gently to shape it, and if there is a bit of excess, you can trim that off with the scissors. Alright, then with the help of pliers, let's press it to make it flat and thin, so it won't get stuck when pulling the zipper. After doing this, wait for the glue to dry. And after the time has passed, let's try to close the zipper and see what happens. And as you can see, it's already working just perfectly. See how the zipper slides easily and looks like new? And most importantly, it won't come off anymore. If possible, use a plastic that matches the color of the zipper, or just transparent like this one. That way, nobody's gonna see it, and it won't affect the looking of the clothing. This is a great and also very cheap way to fix any zipper. So, that was today's tip. Really hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.